My name is Sampada Brahme and today I am going to teach you a past tense. Past tense. Its Marathi meaning is bhutkal. Its Marathi meaning is bhutkal. There are four kinds in past tense. Okay, how many kinds there are? Four kinds. Okay, so we will learn this one by one. So there are four kind of tense in past tense. So we will learn first type. Which is first type is simple past tense. Simple past tense. Its Marathi meaning is साधा भूतकाळ. Its Marathi meaning is साधा भूतकाळ. साधा भूतकाळ. And then its construction. Construction. First of all, you should know the meaning of construction. Construction means rachna. Construction means rachna. This is a noun. Then its verb is construct. Construct. Construct, it is a verb. Okay. Its Marathi meaning is rachna karne. Rachna karne. It is a verb. Then constructor. Constructor. Constructor means होते रचना करणारा. रचना करणारा. It is a subject. Okay. And then constructive. Constructive. Constructive means रचनात्मक. रचनात्मक. It is a adjective. Okay. Okay. So construction. Construction means rachna. So now first of all we will watch what is the construction of this simple past tense. So first of all subject. Subject plus V2. Subject plus V2 plus object plus extension. Okay. And its Marathi recognition is la, la, le. This Marathi recognition is for, that means at the time of making Marathi sentence, you always have to remember that this Marathi recognition should come at the end of Marathi sentence. Okay. So now first of all, you have to understand this construction. Now I have told meaning of construction. Construction means rachna. First is subject. Now what is meant by subject? A person who is doing action is known as subject. Okay. Then V2. It is our verb. Okay. It will you will understand this from the sentence. And object also you will understand this from subject. And extension. Extension means urlele vakya. This whole thing you will understand by the example. Okay, first of all I will take an example, that is acquire. Word. Acquire. Acquire means होते प्राप्त करणे. Acquire means प्राप्त करणे. It is a V1. Its V2 is acquired. And V3 is acquired. The same V3. Okay. Now we will make any sentence from this. तो त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले. त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले. त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले. As I told you that Marathi recognition should come at the end of Marathi sentence. So here you can see that le come, that means related to this la, la, le, le. Okay. So now we have to make this sentence as per the construction. First of all we have to watch this construction. First of all we want subject, because subject is given first. So that's why. What is subject? त्याने. त्याने is our subject, so it will be number first. Then verb. What is our verb? Acquire. Acquire means प्राप्त करणे. It is our verb. प्राप्त करणे. It is our verb. Then object. What is our object? Object. What we have to acquire? That is ज्ञान. It will be number third. त्याने means he. What we use for त्याने in English? He. He number first. Then प्राप्त करणे. प्राप्त करण्यासाठी word आहे acquire. He acquired. Acquired. Now here we have to use V2. So that's why I have used here V2. So he acquired knowledge. He acquired knowledge. I think you have understood that how this sentence formed. Then second example. तिने मला माहिती दिली. तिने मला माहिती दिली. Here also you can say that you can see that Marathi recognition came at the end of Marathi sentence. So first, as per the construction, we want subject. So what is our subject? तिने. So it will be number first. Then verb. What is our verb? माहिती देणे. It is number second. माहिती देण्यासाठी word आहे inform. Inform means माहिती देणे. Okay. Then तिने मला माहिती दिली. Number third is माहिती. तिने she. माहिती देणे means inform. Inform. Here I have used here V2 because you know that we have to use V2 as per our construction. So she informed me. She informed me. मलासाठी me. Okay, so this was the first type. Now we will turn on second type. What is our second type? That is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Okay, its Marathi meaning is चालू भूतकाळ. चालू भूतकाळ. Okay, and its construction is subject plus was where. In past tense we use was where. So subject plus was where plus V1 plus ing plus object plus extension. Okay, and its Marathi recognition is ta hota. Ta hota. Okay, now the same sentences we will convert into this type. Okay, so what is our first sentence? त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले. Now its Marathi recognition is ta hota. So as I before told you that Marathi recognition should come at the end of Marathi sentence. So what will be our sentence? त्याने ज्ञान तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करत होता. तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करत होता. Okay, तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करत होता. Here you can see that Marathi recognition came at the end of Marathi sentence. So now as per our construction, first we want subject. So what is our subject? To number first. Then ta hota means was where. It will be number 2. Then we want verb. What is our verb? प्राप्त करणे. It will be number 3rd. And what we are acquiring? Knowledge. So it will be number 4th. To means he. Ta hota means was where. So what we use before he? Was. He was. प्राप्त करणे means acquire. Acquire. Now here we have to use V1 plus ing. So what will be here? Acquiring. He was acquiring knowledge. He was acquiring knowledge. Now second sentence. तिने मला माहिती दिली. So what will be here? ती मला माहिती देत होती. ती मला माहिती देत होती. देत होती. Now again we have to make our sentence as per the construction. First we want subject. So what is our subject? T number first. Then ta hota means was where. It will be number 2. Then माहिती देणे number 3rd because it is our verb. And मला number 4th. T means she. Ta hota means was where. Before she what we use? Was. She was. माहिती देणे means inform. She was informing because here we have to use V1 plus ing, so that's why informing. She was informing me. Okay, so this was second type. Now third type. What is our third type? Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. It is our third type. Its Marathi meaning is पूर्ण भूतकाळ. Type past perfect टेन्स. इट्स मराठी मीनिंग इज पूर्ण भूतकाळ. And now we will watch construction. Its construction is subject plus had. In past we have to use had. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object plus extension. Okay. And its Marathi recognition is ल होता. Okay. Now this same sentences we will convert into this type. What is our first sentence? तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करत होता. Now here Marathi recognition is ल होता. Before I told you that Marathi recognition should come at the end of Marathi sentence. So what? त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले होते. त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले होते. Here you can see that Marathi recognition has came. So as per our construction, we want first subject. What is our subject? त्याने number first. Then had means ल होता. Had means ल होता. It will be number 2. Then what is our verb? प्राप्त करने number 3rd. And what he is acquiring? Knowledge. So it will be number 4th. त्याने means he. ल होता means had. He had. What is our verb? प्राप्त करण्यासाठी verb काय? acquire. He had acquired knowledge. He had acquired knowledge. Okay. Then second sentence. मला माहिती दिली होती. तिने मला माहिती दिली होती. Here also you can see that Marathi recognition has came. So as per our construction, subject first, तिने number first. Then ल होती means had number second. Then माहिती देणे, it is our verb. It will be number 3rd. And मला, it will be number 4th. तिने means she. ल होता means had. She had. माहिती देणे means inform. She had informed me. इथं informed काऊन आला? कारण इथं V3 पाहिजे म्हणून. Okay. Now we have completed our third type also. 4 types. Past, perfect, continuous, tense. It is our 4th type. Its Marathi meaning is चालू पूर्ण भूतकाळ. चालू पूर्ण भूतकाळ और अपूर्ण भूतकाळ. Okay. Then its construction is subject plus had been. Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus extension. Okay. And its Marathi recognition is त आलेला होता. Okay. Now this same sentence we will convert into this type. What is our first sentence? त्याने ज्ञान प्राप्त केले होते. Now here Marathi recognition is त आलेला होता. So what will be our sentence? तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करत आलेला होता. तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करत आलेला होता. So as per our construction, subject will be first. So what is our subject? तो number first. Then had been means तो आलेला होता. Had been means तो आलेला होता. It will be number second. Then what is our verb? प्राप्त करणे. It will be number 3rd. And ज्ञान. It will be number 4th. तो means he. So he number first. तो आलेला होता means had been. So he had been acquire. It is our verb. Acquire. So here we have to use V1 plus ing. So that's why acquiring. He had been acquiring knowledge. Okay. Then second. What is our second sentence? तिने मला माहिती दिली होती. So here we have what will be sentence here? ती मला माहिती देत आलेली होती. ती मला माहिती देत आलेली होती. Okay, so again as per our construction, subject will be first, it means ती number first, then त आलेली होती means had been number second, माहिती देणे it is our verb, it will be number third, and मला number fourth. ती means she, त आलेला होता means had been, so she had been informed. Inform means माहिती देणे. Inform. So here, but here we want V1 plus ing. So what will be here? Informing. She had been informing me. Okay. Yes.
Very nice.